Hello, car enthusiasts. Today, we're stepping into the future of Ferrari. Meet the Elettrica, the brand's first fully electric supercar, combining breathtaking performance with cutting-edge technology and iconic Italian design. Buckle up, because this is Ferrari like you've never seen before. The Elettrica stays true to Ferrari DNA with a low-slung, aggressive stance and flowing lines. Its futuristic styling hints at its electric powertrain, while maintaining the elegance and presence Ferrari is renowned for. Every curve and angle has been crafted to enhance both performance and visual impact. Beneath the hood, a sophisticated electric powertrain delivers instant torque and over 1,000 horsepower. Ferrari promises an exhilarating driving experience comparable to its legendary V8 and V12 models. Expect blistering acceleration, precise handling, and the thrill that defines Ferrari, all in complete silence. Inside, the Elettrica blends luxury with innovation. A driver-focused cockpit, advanced digital displays, and high-quality materials create an experience that is unmistakably Ferrari, even without the roar of a traditional engine. Designed for real-world driving, the Elettrica supports fast charging and offers a range capable of spirited drives and longer journeys alike. Ferrari ensures that going electric doesn't mean compromising on performance or convenience. With the Elettrica, Ferrari is not just electrifying its lineup, it's redefining electric performance. Passion, excitement, and precision remain at the heart of every drive, proving that Ferrari's legacy and innovation can go hand in hand. The Ferrari Elettrica is here, a bold step into the future. If you're as excited as we are, subscribe for more updates and witness the dawn of Ferrari's electric era.